thought I would add a little bit to the remodeling here in the bathroom, the shower area, and the new insides are inside the shower. The base is over there, and then the walls. And so there's glass on each side and then a glass front. And so right now, as you can see, after I move this, the base has been cut out that will fit with that, the baseboard. And did take a measurement of this. And in order for the piping and so on to fit and not have a lot of reconfiguration, it is going to stay at this height. What I'm going to do, I will have a like 3 or 4 inch board to step in, but I need one by my bed so it can serve as a step to get into the shower here, because it's much lower. Did try to step into it with the baseboard down earlier, and had determined that with the plumbing and everything that's underneath, I will work with this. That actually looks pretty good. When you put the baseboard on it, there's, obviously some height that comes with it. But I was able to step in without a step. I would not be able to do that on a normal basis, or all the time. And so just to have a small step that's, a good 12 inches deep, that's safe and secure, will be a very big key here. Again, I need to have a step by my bed to step up in the bed anyway, so it is going to be dual purpose. It was a really good thing. I was looking at that last night. So when my friend who does the RV work came in this morning, we just went through and determined it. Right now there's some boards here. That is to prevent midnight from going back in there, which is going to be a challenge. My biggest challenge right now is when you look in there, it looks real good and clean, but unfortunately way in the back, Javier did find a little mice nest, and that was using the insulation. It was real fresh, so this is not something that's old and so on. So on Tuesday I have Terminix coming in, and they are going to help ratify that. I'm going to go ahead and get on their program for at least a year for bug control as well, just until I can get things settled. There's a particular product that I really prefer to use, but for me to be able to get it out there right now would be really hard. So to hire a company, it's not in the budget, but right now at this time, this is something I need to do. But anyway, we got some progress going here. Right now it's going to be storage for a couple of days, but I'll be glad to have that. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up on this and other videos too, and that you'll follow me, and see you on the next one. Have a good day.